This is John with WTI. And this is hands down one of my favorite drinks that I've had this month. This is the Aloe Vera King by Oak. This is a drink that is just great. And I'm going to tell you some of the details of what I like the most about this. This is an aloe vera drink that at the same time has a little chip, some chips of aloe vera and this flavor with the juice of peach juice. And it's just a great low calorie because at the same time, this is an aloe vera drink that has a lot of nutrients and it feels just so good. It has a nice flavor. And at the same time, it doesn't feel so sugary at all. The peach flavor tastes pretty much like peach. And the flexibility of what you can drink with this is pretty much high. So I've had this just straight with ice, but other people could just as their prefer. And maybe around my area, they even do drinks or cocktails with this. But straight ahead, really cold. It's just a 10 out of 10. I've had this so many times during this past month already. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point of view.